Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to mark invoice as distributed in Clodify system. So first we need to log in. Go to Financials Invoices page and find the invoice we need. Like here you can see that we have a new invoice and we need to mark this invoice as distributed. But what we have in the actions here is edit, download PDF, delete, and mark as paid. We don't have the action mark as distributed like here. Here the status is paid. So what we need to do if we need this actual invoice, the first one, first we need to mark this invoice as paid, so the status should be paid like this. So we mark it as paid. Okay, and now the status is paid and we can mark it as distributed. So we can mark it. Okay, invoice was distributed successfully. So now it is paid, and what we actually do with this invoice, we can only download PDF and delete. Like this one, for example, we do not need now to mark it as distributed, so we'll leave it as is. So now we know that to mark the invoice as distributed, we need to first to mark it as paid. So the status should be paid before we can do this action in Clodify.